and Donald from Just My Typewriter, and today we are working with a Sears Celebrity Power 12 from 1968. So this is an electric typewriter that we found here in the comm department at IUP, and unfortunately it doesn't work. Now it does turn on when you plug it in, but nothing happens when you actually press down on the keys. I've read through the manual. There's nothing I can do to fix it without tearing it apart. So today Donald and I are going to be ripping apart this electric typewriter. Yep, there she is. Yep,
It's
it turns
whirring.
on. Yeah.
It's making a sound.
Yeah, it does.
Okay.
So that's what happens when it turns on, but nothing happens when you click. Like nothing moves. And I've clicked every button.
Okay. Does the spacebar work?
Nope.
The spacebar doesn't
Nothing
work.
works. Except for that guy.
The tab?
Yep. So what we're gonna do is tear it apart and see what it looks like on the inside. Also, her name is Jan.
Her name is Jan. What is it? Righty tighty, lefty loosey? I always forget.
Something like that.
Okay, here we go.
Who's Lucy?
Okay. So we've got some paper towels to try to
Yeah.
clean it off, right? So the way I understand electric typewriters to work, and this could be wrong,
Yes.
but there's a little motor
Yeah.
that's powered by the cord. It's here, and it powers this little
Belt.
that goes to this here.
Mm-hmm. Highly scientific, are we?
So it's a lot easier. Ooh, I'm dirty. It's a lot easier on your fingers than like the mechanical typewriter. Where all
So
of the
would that be
force-
the advantage
Yeah.
to an electric typewriter? Is it takes less effort?
Yes, you don't need to mash.
I'm okay with the mashing
I'm okay with
because
the
I don't
mashing
need
too.
to have electricity.
Oh. What'd you do? What is it?
And
Huh.
so this typewriter's name is Jan because she belonged to a man named Jay. And it is definitely not an office reference at all.
And again, it smells like death.
It does. It smells really
This is
bad.
terrible.
This is gross. This is 40 years of grades.
Ugh. Okay, now let's see. See if this thing works.
It's also
Okay.
already got my hair on it. Cleaned.
So we got. Now that shifts. Looks like it shifts.
Yeah, between ribbons.
So let's try. Let's grab a sheet paper. Oh.
Hey!
Look at that!
We have power!
It worked. Hilo. I spelled that wrong.
But, in order to do that, you need an electrical socket and power.
And belts.
And belts.
And whatever.
Sorcery.
Wizardry. Magic.
Are we at Hogwarts?
I think we might be at Hogwarts.
Hi guys, this has been Sarah and Donald, and we just cleaned out the Celebrity Power 12 Sears typewriter from 1968, and it works! So if you want to follow us for more typewriter content, be sure to subscribe to this channel, follow our podcast, and check out our Instagram at Just My Typewriter. Also, if you post this anywhere, please tag Tom Hanks. We are looking for him to adopt both of us now. We come as a pair. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you later.